Okay, I'm Brian Post. I'm the director of the Stone Trust. We're down here at the Stoneyard getting ready for our flagging workshop, teaching folks how to do flat work, patios, and pathways. And it's going to be a great day here. We're all set up with tents. We're going to be working outside. And we got 6 different types of stone that the Stoneyard sells that we're going to be teaching folks how to work with. Okay, we're here in the middle of the workshop. We spent the morning leveling up and prepping our bases, getting the action good, and we set up some borders with the cobbles so that we have a good definition between the types of stone. And we've got 6 different types of stone working in groups of 2, shaping and leveling, getting everything to fit tight and be nice and level to walk on.